Hello students, in this video we will discuss about one numerical problem related to frustum. Question is, the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 cm and perimeter of its circular ends are 18 cm and 6 cm. Find CSA of frustum, TSA of frustum and its volume also. Means in this question we should find CSA, TSA and volume, all three things. In this question one problem is given. Problem is there is no. That means if we draw the diagram of this is the R1 not given, R2 not given, this is the height not given, and only L means slant height directly given here. Slant height is 4 cm. 4 cm. In this situation, first we find the R1, R2 and H, all three things. Then we will start to finding the CSA, TSA and volume. Since given here, perimeter of first end means perimeter of first end whose radius is R1 is given 18 cm and perimeter of second end whose radius is R2 is given 6 cm. Since perimeter of bottom is equal to, which is the circular form, 2 pi R1 equal to 18 cm. Therefore, R1 equal to 9 by pi centimeter. And perimeter of top, which is in the circular form, equal to 2 pi R2 equal to 6 cm. Therefore, R2 equal to 3 upon pi centimeter. This is R2. If we solve this, then 9 into 22 upon 7 means 7 upon 22 equal to 63 upon 22 centimeters. And this will be 3 into 7 upon 22, that means 21 upon 22 centimeters. Since H equal to root under L square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. This will be equal to root under L. L means 4 cm. 4 square minus R1 minus R2. R1 is 63 upon 22 minus 21 upon 22 whole square. This will be equal to square of 4 means 16 minus 63 minus 21. This will be 42. 63 minus 21. This will be 42 upon 22 whole square. This will be 2. Means root under 16 minus 2 square is 4. This will be root under 12 centimeter. This is the height of this frustum. Now we will start. First find the CSA of this frustum. Since CSA of frustum equal to pi into L into R1 plus R2. That means this will be pi into L means 4 into R1. Write in the 9 upon pi form. 9 upon pi plus R2 3 upon pi. This will be taking pi common from the diameter, so this will be pi upon pi into 4 into 9 plus 3, this will be 12. Pi and pi will be cancelled, this will be 48 centimeter square. Now we will try to find TSA of the frustum. Since TSA of frustum equal to CSA plus area of bottom plus area of top. Area of bottom plus area of top. This will be equal to, already CSA of frustum we have find here. So write directly 48 centimeter square plus area of bottom. Bottom means pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. 48 plus, taking pi as a common and transfer the value of pi. This is the 22/7 into r1. R1 is the for 9/pi. That means 60. Write in the form of pi. Pi into 9/pi whole square plus pi into r2. R2 is 3/pi. 3/pi whole square. This will be equal to 48 plus 1 pi is cancelled. So this will be 81/pi plus this 1 pi is cancelled. This will be 9/pi. This will be 48 plus 81 plus 9. This will be 90/pi or 48 pi plus 90 whole upon pi centimeter square. This is the TSA of this frustum. And now we will find volume of frustum. Since volume of frustum is equal to pi h/3 into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now pi h means here h equal to root under 12. Root under 12 whole upon 3 into r1 9/pi whole square plus 3/pi whole square plus 9/pi into 3/pi. Since this will be 2 pi root under 3, we can write root under 12 equal to 2 root under 3 whole upon 3 into, this will be 81/pi square, 81/pi square plus 9/pi square plus 27/pi square. 81/pi square, 81 plus 9, this will be 90, 90 plus 27, 117. That means this will be 117/pi square. 1 pi and 1 pi will be cancelled. By 3 this will be cancelled. 3 3 is 9, 3 9 is 27, and 39 into 2, this will be 78. 78/pi root under 3 centimeter cube. This is the volume of this frustum. I hope you have understand how to find the CSA, TSA and volume of frustum if question given like this.